Well, what's different today is that the major players, including the entire industry, the IAOB, recognizes that this is a valuable approach or strategy. In fact, the PPAP and the APQP requirements are being advocated by many of the first-tier suppliers and the OEMs. And depending upon which first-tier supplier you're looking at, some of them are really going in and looking over the shoulder, if you will, to the implementation of the PPAP and all the documents that related to PPAP are being done, and specifically dealing with the process the process flow, FEMA, and control plan.
We've been very fortunate to be a part of that AS 9145. Before that, you saw also Dan Reed. Dan Reed was the executive that was loaned out from the AIAG to help the aerospace industry, and he helped with the SCMH in terms of the first guideline on APQP and PPAP. And I've been, off and on with both the AEQG in terms of the AS 9100 and also the AS 9145.